The score has landed.
Canuck! Let's take a look at the Nokta SCORE and see what's included in the box. A physical manual is included, as well as the PDF copy online. Inside the plastic bag, you will get charging update cable, coil nuts, armband, carbon fiber upper and middle shaft, and I don't know why it's showing red because it's black. The upper shaft and head unit has a really nice arm cuff, very comfortable. The control box is what we've come to expect from Nokta, no surprises. On the reverse is where you attach your coil. On the left is where you attach your charger and update cable. The SCORE comes with the SC30 coil. It's 12 by 9 inches or 30 centimeters by 23. Did I mention that this collapses down to 25 inches? Yeah. All right, time to turn the detector on and go through the settings. To power it on, a simple push of the button. To turn it off, hold it down a little longer. The noise cancel button is on the bottom left, and to eliminate any EMI, the detector will scan through 13 frequencies and find the best one for you to operate on. There are 3 search modes to choose from. You can have field, beach, and park. There are 5 levels of sensitivity. To raise your sensitivity, hit the plus button, and to lower it, hit the minus button. You also have 4 levels of discrimination: all metal, ground off, ferrous off, and custom. 4 levels of frequency to choose from: M1, M2, M3, and single frequency of 15 kilohertz. To enter the settings menu, hit the cogwheel. Up first is volume. Apologies for Hannah in the background. She's not happy with me not paying attention to her. Next is display brightness, and just remember that the brighter your display screen is, the more battery consumption. Bluetooth. Now this works with your headphones and pointer. 1 is on and 0 is off. The ground suppressor is used to eliminate false ground signals when you're detecting on tough terrains, and Nokta recommends that you leave it off unless required. Now there is a little sub-menu on the end. The vibration feature provides feedback to the user by producing a vibration effect when a target is detected. And you can set this from 0 to 5. The LED flashlight is great at night. The plus button turns it on with the number 1. The minus button turns it off. Believe it or not, that is all you need to know. And if you're wondering which detector is better for you, should you get a SCORE or a double SCORE? Stay tuned to the channel because I am going to help you out. You will be able to decide which one is right for you. Until next time, remember to keep it real, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.